Morning folks, today we're out of the resort and we're in Puerto del Rosario and gonna have a look around. There's plenty of old buildings here, plenty of sculptures, things like that to take photographs of, so we'll have a wander around, probably grab something to eat as well while we're here, some nice tapas or something, and yeah, I'll bring you on a little wander around Puerto del Rosario. Just been here for lunch. Ami Manera, I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, food was absolutely fantastic. I had a pasta carbonara, being as adventurous as ever. However, my wife had a fried seafood platter for one, which was absolutely superb, and it looked the business. I'm going to stick a photograph on screen now because we had to take an image. And yeah, if you're in this resort, check them out. Absolutely fantastic food. loads of public art, some fantastic murals as well. Hope you've enjoyed looking at those. We're just kind of rest in a shady spot now before we head back into the town centre and see what's up there. So we've had a great walk around Puerto del Rosario, and we're about to head off for the bus. So we'll catch you in the next video. If you've enjoyed the video, then do please give it a thumbs up. Helps YouTube share it with everybody who else might be interested in it. And yeah, if you're not a subscriber, why not subscribe? Get to see more videos like this, and with better pronunciation. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye for now.